What's up? I'm sorry, I'm a little bit late. My bad. Had a shower and it was so nice and warm. Today it's so cold and overcast. But it's okay. Anyways, how's everybody doing? Let's see how all of this shenanigans goes today. Do we have high hopes for today? Right, let's find out. Okay. Bim. And bim. Done. Now, let's get this party started. Okay, now I'm ready for this. We're looking all pretty and pink and red today. Sorry, it was just literally the comfiest thing for today. So here we go. Yes, I'm a little all over the place. I'm sure you guys are so used to that by now. Let's do this. Had a shower. I did not dye my hair. Loki looks like I dyed my hair though. Anyways. What's up, Lurk? How you doing? Morning on this holiday. I know. I think it's another reason I'm like a tiny bit behind because it's holiday. It's holiday. Everything feels a little out of whack. How you doing, Lurk? How's it been going? Wow. Okay. Yesterday's price action sucked. Or for lack of a better word, it just sucked. Okay, let's pop onto the funded. Let's see what today brings. Lurk, how you been, bud? How's it been going? How's everything? And yes, with the Wonder Woman jacket, this is how we do it, because y'all are wondering what I'm doing. We good, miserable weather, but right? Like I said, I think it was part of the reason why I honestly struggled so much to wake up. I was like, no, but this is like stay in bed, eat popcorn, maybe watch a horror movie type of weather. This is not get up and be productive weather. Let's just be real. Why have we done this? Oh no. Bless me. Okay. Well, thank you for zooming out. I don't know why you did, but thanks, I guess. Let's do New York high. Okay, and New York low. Technically for me that's rather New York low, but okay. Now Asia high and Asia low. Ooh. Asia high there. And Asia low. Sorry, just marking out everything quick sticks. And then we'll go from there. It looks like it's ranging again. Slowly being the key word there, Lurk. So slowly. So slowly. And it's being so mean to me recently. It's like missing, like the A+ setups are showing up, but it's not tagging me in. Which is really weird. What's up, Debbie? How we doing? Shacky, what's up? Hi, Boom. How are you? Good grief. Okay, let's see. I don't really have a new daily opening yet, but new daily opening. And then let's find midnight. Song is now stuck in my head. Wow, okay. New daily and midnight are right by each other. Oh, this price action looks like garbage today. Let's see what happens. Why am I being mean to me? Why did you not say hi to me? I feel like that is a valid reason. Right? Yes, I feel like that's valid. But yes, to anyone that just hopped on.
Hi! Hi! Good morning!
Okay. Asia high, Asia low been marked out. Ooh, sorry. Low-key rushing a teeny tiny bit today, which is not ideal, but let's now check the daily. That's not starting great, is it? Well, we are at new all-time highs. Now the question is this just kind of making a double top? It could potentially just be making a double top. It has this huge gap to fill. That gap is insane. Let's check the 4 hour. Debbie, how you been? Everyone's being so quiet today. What's up, everybody? Okay, I mean, so far this is just going sideways. Okay, let's see if this is gonna retrace. All-time highs are scary, guys. I want to say, yeah, I can see this retracing, but in the same breath with all-time highs, trend is friend, you're just gonna keep going with the bullish. You think we'll be making new all-time highs all this week? Okay. This is where trend is friend comes in, hey? Trend is friend until it's not. Maybe it's gonna keep doing what it did, where it slowly goes up and then it drops down like a mad lad. Another 1,000 points and then goes back up. Sorry, I can tell you for a fact that the Wi-Fi is gonna be absolutely shocking today. That hourly. Okay, we got a hourly bullish fair value gap lower down at 676. Okay, let's check the 15-minute as well as 15-minute for liquidity. Okay. Asia low is a goodie. That is a goodie. I mean, this one over here is also pretty decent. Let's see if it goes there. This is the major liquidity over there. Okay, let's see if we start going down. If we start going down, I must jump back to the 15-minute and see, but I've marked everything else that I needed to. So that's fine. We got at least a week of market pump, hopefully 2. We should get tweets saying we're back on or something to dump markets. Do you think... Wait, really? You saying that like basically all of this? But yeah, all of this is just planned. He's just messing around, playing, maybe doing some insider trading and just doing whatever he wants right now. Is that low-key what you're saying, Deb? If that's the case, that's very sad. What am I doing? Not yet. Okay, new daily opening and midnight is right there. Okay, so here's London open. Like I said, guys, I think we're just gonna have to wait and see what we get today. Maybe we don't get anything. Oh my gosh. That is just sad. I want to say it's just sad. I don't know if you agree with that or not. Like, let things happen how they should. There we go. So, how was everyone's Monday? Did you guys get any trades in or not really? I saw the price. I mean, it maybe there were some trades to be taken during New York. Did anyone take any? Insider trading at the very top level, yeah. Which, like I said, is low-key sad. Sorry guys, I'm super chill today, so you guys are just gonna have to deal with me. I haven't had a sip of coffee yet either, which doesn't help, but we're just gonna go with it. I'm just gonna chill and watch whatever chaos comes this way. Speaking of chaos, here comes the monkeys already. How to clean your glasses, just fog them up a little bit. Okay, yep, that's the monkeys. And I can hear Perry now running outside. Awesome. What though, doggo? What's up, doggo? What's up, doggo? How are we doing? So it's not starting great. Okay. Anyways, here was 3 a.m. open. Let's see what we get off of this. Oh, I low-key see something, but not something to take on the fund. It's something to potentially take on the paper. Are we on? Okay, we're on the paper now. Let's see, because curiosity, right? Curiosity. Learning to identify some new things here and there. Oh, except it isn't really. Okay, let's see if it retests, or so I might attempt to take a little sell there, but it feels like a bad idea to do that. Hey, doggy, you know what? I can't complain. Cannot complain. Retest. I need this to come back in there. Ah. There was a sell. Sorry, Deb, I just popped this on now, but I see there was actually a sell indication or indicator over here. Means I would have sold here. I want to see if this goes back up into there or not. Gosh darn, I don't know if I would have gone with that. Probably would have gone with that. That's fine. So I'm doing all the talking to myself. Ah, this we might never see pumps and dumps like this again. Like, pump and dumps are fun for day traders, right? But what about investors? Does it just scare investors to no end? I can imagine it does that. I can imagine that is exactly what it does, actually. Poor investors are just there going, ah, what's happening? Or do they love it? Well, not really. Especially not the dumps. Obviously the pumps are quite nice. Just feels like he's manipulating the world. Which is wild. I feel like someone shouldn't have that amount of power to manipulate the world. But in a way, he is, which I don't know if... I don't know, it's a wild concept to think about. It's a very, very wild concept to think about. Let's see if this works. Let's make it VWAP. I'm giving this a try. Technically, this was a bit of an A+ setup, but being the keyword, it's in the bob level. You guys know me with the bob level. I do not trust the bob level. Market's been very choppy today. What? Well, how are you doing? I know, yesterday as well. Oh no, wait, sorry. For you, it might still be today. Depending on where you live. For me, yesterday was just Chop City. And today is a new day, and it's not starting great, but let's see. Like I said, playing around a little bit. This is on the paper account until we get some good A+ setups for the funded. Abito, what's up? How are we doing? Yeah, I got absolutely obliterated yesterday. Listen, the market got a lot of people yesterday. Yeah, it got a lot of people yesterday. It was nasty. It was not nice at all. So, yeah, don't worry. It wasn't just you. If you're feeling alone and like, oop, and like it was out to get you, so it did reject, just obviously not far enough. That's why we play around and mess around a little bit on paper. Okay. I guess let's see if we now get anything else again. Okay, so ES is pushing. NQ is lagging behind a little bit. Okay. Sorry guys, I'm like extra chilled and mellow today. I apologize. Here we go. Oh my gosh. Okay. I can't jump in on this just yet. I feel like I need a tiny bit more confirmation. Do I need more confirmation than this? I might need some more confirmation than this. Today has been chop-based completely. I got some bangers out yesterday. It wasn't the greatest, but definitely not the worst. What's up, David G? How you doing? I'd say we're bullish, so it's holding up my level as well. It's created a 30-minute support. I do agree with you. I think the Bulls are definitely gonna win today, but I'm just gonna have to wait and see if I can trust this. With yesterday's price action going all over the place, I feel like some, can't believe I have to say this, but some trust is needed in these conditions. If it's just gonna be choppy and taking out internal, external, internal, external, I don't want to be part of that. Aw, thanks, David. How you doing, bud? How was the trading? Did you get any trades in? I'm just watching this going, oh my gosh, is this going to be a redo of, well, yesterday. Yesterday was not ideal. Let me just turn this off for a second. Because oh, sugar honey iced tea. Theoretically, this is actually an A+ setup. But like I said, I need to be able to see if I can trust this price action. So while we play around on the paper first, see if it is indeed respecting our levels slash confluences. If not, I guess that's a good indication to not do that. You look thoughtful. I guess. I'm quite focused today, which is weird. I know that's weird for me. But I'm quite focused today. Let's see what this does. Tapped into that bit of a volume imbalance over there. Is it gonna respect it? No. Yo, guys. It's been doing seek and destroy all day so far today. Looking like a range trading day today. Honestly. Oh, what is this? I'm not yet accidentally trading. Stopping by every now and then to learn from you. Aw, David, that's awesome. Have you learned some things? Let me not say a lot, but have you learned some things? I'm trying to catch an entry. I'm watching this. Guys, if today's gonna be disgusting, it might be an early day for London as well. Let's see though. Let's see though. Let's not jump to conclusions yet. Just make it tiny bit. Sometimes those ticks make a difference. Struggling to push up for now. Let's see if it can continue. Tapped into that fair value gap. It's stuck at the new daily opening range and midnight magnet. Yep. Wow. Just wow. This is not starting great, is it? You ran out of coffee. Oh, that's not good. Running out of coffee is not good at all. Oh, to my fellow South Africans, happy Youth Day. I know I'm no longer in my youth, but still. When are you considered not youthful anymore? That sounds mean, but you know what I mean. What ages are considered quote unquote youth? I'm no longer the youth. Oh my gosh, I'm no longer the youth. I am no longer the youth. Between 15 and 24 years old. Ooh! Frank, 55. Garrett, you say 40. Nice. Let me know, because I consider myself youthful. Apparently. Oh, that gave me kick up the pants I didn't need today. Apparently, the universal youth age range is mostly commonly defined by the United Nations as individuals between 15 and 24 years old. However, this bracket is fluid and varies significantly depending on the organization, country, and cultural context. Hey, wait a minute. No, wait, I'm still good. Woo, in South Africa, I'm still good. So 10 to 24 years old, defined by the World Health Organization, and other UN agencies, to encompass both adolescents, 10 to 19, and young people, 10 to 24. Okay, but 15 to 35 years old is the official definition used by the African Union and South African government to account for broader socioeconomic and demographic realities. I'm still in the youth bracket. Getting up there though, but I'm still in the youth bracket. Thank heavens. 14 to 35 years old, the age range utilized by the National Youth Development Agency, or NYDA, for policymaking and youth empowerment programs within South Africa. Okay. Okay, apparently I'm still in my youth. I didn't see that coming. What about if you feel like you're 60? You know, because I said myself. Hammer, no ways. Hammer has no power. Don't worry, you're not really missing much today on these damn charts. So, according to you, anyway. That's the noob range. I'm 41. You got this. Whoop whoop, Maya. Have you not packed the books on your shelf? Emma, why do you want to come in here and cause rubbish? Why is this like your thing to do? Do you have trading on your phone though, Hammer, or not? Again, like I said, you're not really missing out on much. This is so range bound, it's actually disgusting. The daily is this teeny tiny little doji right now. You're 40. Ah, you're 5 years out of that youth bracket. Happy Youth Day, Hammer. What are you doing today? Or I guess nothing. Sitting in the dark. Maybe you could read a book. Light some candles, read a book. Hey, Lukey, it is. It is. If you feel like you're 60, then you need less carbs. Oh! Rude. I feel like I'm 60 because I have a bad back. Anyways. Your morning live is actually part of my routine to wake myself up. Now, you're welcome, I think. What are you trying to say? I actually considered youth as how we treat ourselves and mindset. I built this auto indicator inspired by Deb and Jay's, and the indicator said, yeah, Hammer. Literally, oh wait, let me put Deb's indicator back on here. Let's see. But yeah, so far today, not looking good. Not gonna lie. Yeah, it's 3 AM and I just got off a triple shift from work. I'm about to start slow cooking chili for tomorrow. First of all, chili? No, that's spicy. We don't. No. Do you know what I'm gonna probably go and do after this morning's stream, because I can. I'm gonna take Perry and I'm gonna go grab myself some, I guess, lunch. It's called a breakfast, but it's lunch. But it's so cheap. It is so cheap. Do you guys want to know what's included in this? A coffee, 2 eggs, toast, bacon, chips, sausages. I think that's everything. Oh, and a little piece of tomato. All of that for Hammer, you're gonna fall over 70 Rand. Which, let's do this. Let's go, oops, rands to dollars. So it is 70 Rand, which is $4.32. Or let's do pounds. What are pounds at? for Debbie. 3.22 pounds. Yeah. Yeah. Literally. What's the higher time looking like? Oh. Are you ready for this? I'm not ready for this. Ugh, I need to get rid of some of these. They're very irritating. Let me show you just on the funded what the higher time frames look like. Just because then there's less chaos while doing it. But yeah, let's show you 5 minutes. Should be going sideways. 15 minutes. Whatever the heck this is. Well, it don't help me. Okay, so it's moved like 100 points, give or take. Zoom out. Today it's moved, yeah, like 100 points, which is not a lot. 1 hour. I mean, this is the full hour. This is insane. And then are you guys ready for the daily? What is that? What is that? It's itty bitty little doji. Okay. Anyways, back to the Uno Momento. Now we can put all of our shenanigans back up. Ta-da! Let it find its brain cells. Awesome sauce. Yeah, no. I'll start something. Let's see. What's the place called? Yeah, $5. I'll have to send you a personal message. I'll send you a message, Hammer. Okay. Which any ideas for waterflow 5 minutes? That sounds good, to be honest. I actually just made some instant steak and rice for my coworkers. They all loved it. Damn, look at you being fancy. Yeah, tell me. This beef is the worst beef ever. Yeah. I'll be driving down today, but was not feeling like then. Was afraid of being sick in Durban on holiday with this weird flu we got. Is there a weird flu going around Joburg right now? That's kind of the vibe I'm getting. Is there this weird flu going around Joburg right now? It makes me scared because I'm about to come up to Joburg. But anyways. What trade am I in? Nothing. The higher time frame is looking like garbage manipulation. Yep. Often play Rocket League. Absolutely. Yep. It's not Mikwabe. It's looking disgusting. What's up, Laura? How are you doing? So, have you are you set on going to Switzerland? Yeah? Get it. By all me from local watching experience since I was a kid. Let's go to the point. To the point? Yeah, I've never been. No, have I been to the point? Don't think I've been to the point. Hey, Prozan, what's up? How you doing? How's everyone doing? I'm looking at this. Hammer calls it welding. Some people call it barcoding. You can call it chop. You can call it sideways. Whatever you want to call it, it's not looking great unless you have an awesome strategy that works for this, which I do not, so that's fine. In Durban. I know Cape Town there's a point, right? Never been to Cape Town, but you know. Formally appointment. German cruise terminal making a highly convenient stopover arriving departure cruise. How have I never been here? I've never been there. Okay, I've been to a Shark Marine World. Is it right by Shark Marine World? Because then I've been there. No, okay, never mind, I've been there. Just Bluetooth funded. Oh, then what happened? What happened? Gold is chopped too. Oh, guys, it's just chop suey everywhere. And then it's spaghetti bomb. Okay, you guys are gonna judge me. You guys are gonna judge me hardcore. Are you ready for this? Everyone judges me, but I always say it like this, and now it's my quirk and I'll never change how I say it. How do you say it? You go bolognese, right? That's how you say it. I go bolognese. I pronounce the G. I call it shut it off and walk away. That's low-key where I'm at today, Shaki. Let's see. I mean, bruh, we've been here for 30 minutes. Not even 30 minutes. Okay, let's give it some time. It's done this before where the first hour goes sideways and then we get some movement. So let's not be hasty to just... Okay, let's quickly swap to paper and put the TMP back on. Let's not be hasty to, you know, run away from us just before I forget where we are at and I take a practice trade on my funded. You need to be a member, I think. Aww. I think it's been really hard trading. Laura, actually that's a valid point. Angel Angels were both ill over the weekend. That's even bad on the 5-second chart. That's... wow. June has been on straight... I can't say that word, but you're not wrong. Oversized, but it's okay because I still got my live account to trade New York station. There we go. Bolognese. I say bolognese. Can I just be quiet? Another video and I didn't realize I've been commenting on the last like 5 minutes. Wow, that's amazing, Microwave. I'm impressed with you. But some English-speaking people love saying the G at the end of some words, like talking. That's true. It makes me quad. No, sorry, that's not how you say it. I know that's not how you say it, but yes. That maakt mij mal. Yeah, no, this is a good day to get up to shenanigans with this damn price action. Oh, it's not what I wanted, but it's what we're getting. Brother Bear, what is this today? Okay. Well, like I said, we have to at least give it an hour. Sometimes it just goes sideways and then it surprises us with some proper movement, and then imagine not being here for that proper movement. You're thinking some shorts when 1 hour and 1 to 2 and possible 1 to 3 hour up and down. Yo, Jose, you know what? I'm thinking anything that's not sideways right now is gonna be a good one. Wish I had coffee. Go on then. Go get some coffee. Wait, I thought you didn't drink coffee. I thought you drank tea. Price action stinks like that one. Ew! Microwave, that is gross. Oh, there's a gap. I assumed it will get filled. I mean, NQ has a massive gap. You would assume that wants to head to the new... Have I actually pulled it across? The new weekly opening gap, which is... Where is it? Here. Like, look at this thing. This thing is absolute flipping insanity. You would assume this is where it wants to eventually end up, but that's quite far. Oh, is it that far? From where we are now, down there is... Oh, wait. TMP is on. Sorry, I have to turn this off to use my... Okay, so it's here. Yeah, it's like 740 points away. I mean, the fact that we're only moving 100 points recently does not really help, does it? I'm starting to feel a little saucy. Maybe I'll play this micro chop with the 2-3 contract and NQ with a very tight stop. Shaky? I mean, why not? No, I'm sorry, I'm being a bad influence. Is it a wise decision to do that? Now I have to make breakfast via African style. Do it. It's over, guys. I blew my Eva. What? What happened? Boom? Turns out I'm mortal now. Are you still on the June contract? Am I? This one, right? Why can't you just put it on MNQ, like in general? What difference does it make? MNQ1 theoretically should. Because this is June. So we don't want June? Now I'm confused. Now you guys are confusing me. Why is there 2027? We're not there yet. Does this mean we want to be trading in the future, not just futures? We want September. Okay. Do 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 do. Okay. No, on the continuous contract, which is still June, roll to September, ends in U. So it should be this one, September 2026. Let's see, MNQU. Yeah, it's the one I'm on. Cool. Oh, okay, cool, Deb. I see. Well, then let's try some of Deb's. I have to update everything, don't I? Cool. Well, guess that's one way to declutter. Okay. New York. Asia high. Well, it gives me something to do now quickly. Asia low / low key relative equal lows, if we're being honest. Then I'll just have to go and fill out the new weekly opening gap. I think that's the best one, but it is what it is. Not by much, but there are different spreads as well. If you compare the prices to the charts for June and September, the prices are different. The point's very different. It shows different price levels, which is mad. If that's why you didn't get tagged in Friday, because June contracts close Friday. I wonder. Not by much, but there are different spreads as well. I thought that MNQ... I thought MNQ1 just kind of rolled over. Shot all. Where's particular? I feel like I've been doing this wrong the whole flipping time. What? Okay. Let's see if I now get some better setups. Liquidity, I'm not gonna even bother marking them out. I do want to obviously mark out just this new weekly opening gap. Everything else from there is whatever. Oh, then the new weekly opening gap. How big is it here? Sorry, Dev, I'm just gonna quickly turn that off for a second. So it's not that big. Over here, the new weekly opening gap is not 400 and something footsack points. Wow. Okay then. A little grumpy about that one, but it's fine. So depends. If you're on Q, if you're on the main Q seasonal contract, season 1 does not roll over automatically. Not until the current contract actually expires, it's beneficial to roll early. Ah, that makes sense. Amanda's Journal, what's up? How you doing? Okay, wait, where was then? Midnight? Here? Wait. Midnight, and then I want to just new daily opening. This can now turn off. Oopsies. Cool. Let's now see. Okay, still nothing would have been good. That wouldn't have worked, that wouldn't have worked, that wouldn't have worked. Okay, let's see what we get. Amanda, you're getting ready to do your first live trade later. Didn't we speak like 2 days ago? I'm so confused. Wait. Didn't you know like... Oh, this is gonna sound rude, but didn't you know like nothing a few days ago? What's the new contract? Sorry, didn't mean to derail your whole process. No, Shaki, it's fine. I'm just a little like... It's fine. Let's see now. Whee! Okay. Again, I don't really take these if they're in the bob level. This looks good though. See if this comes back up. And I would not be hating on taking this shorty short here. Hammer, obviously, you something of course I've been paper trading. I'm like 30%. I'm just ready to trade myself even at small. Oh no, okay, Amanda, that's perfect. Wait, but did you just go straight to a live account or did you get a prop? Are we gonna break out of this range or are we just gonna be messing around inside of it right now? Let's see. Okay, 944. Let's see if this goes back up. This might not, but let's see. $696 is a key level. It is. Why is it a key level? I remember saying 696 and remembering that the other day. Man, I was like, before you go live, you need to be 90% already. I'm not with a prop as of yet. I want to see how it goes first, and I'll consider it more like... Oh, okay. Okay, well, I mean, you already know I would have said rather do a prop first because then you can make a big loss. And it makes no difference while you're figuring things out because you can lose up to $2,000, but you would have only spent, let's say, $50 on the eval. So you haven't lost $2,000, you've lost $50. But you do whatever makes sense to you. That level sounds good. I've got 39699 as a margin buffer limit. Damn, okay, this thing is now just not coming back. Let's see if it does. A little bit of a rejection off a VWAP here, potentially? Question mark? We're down to these relative equal lows. Okay, let's see. Hey, Jabez, you're done for today? What happened? Like, wait, did you have a winning trade and that's why you're done for today? This certainly is almost like two separate brokers. Okay. Let's see how it reacts here. Again, this is just on the paper still. Waiting to see if it gives us some decent price action today or not. I'm thinking potentially or not. Ugh, you know what, Miguave, at the end of the day, everyone has to figure this out for themselves. I think that's just the reality of it. Most people have to figure out if this is something they want to do or not. Let's see. This is gonna go back up into there. Chip Chop City, good grief. Just good grief. All I can say about today. But having to sit around like a chop. Let's just do that. Yeah, there we go. Let's see if this works out or not. That's not me knocking it. I think that's just the rough process of what most people go through is what I'm saying. No, that's fair. That is fair. And I do agree with you. And then most people go, maybe this is just not for me. Which is valid. I guess rather find out sooner rather than later that this is not for you. The nature of the boost is not easy to do consistently every day. Ain't that a fact, Deb? People hate on trend lines, but with my course, people would have identified the bottom of the pennant range and beware for a likely bounce. You have a course, Jackie? Skeletor, that was pretty good. I did like that. That was a goodie. I did enjoy that one. That was a good one. How you doing, Skeletor? Long time no see. How you been doing? It's a joke, no course. Aww. I was like, wait a second. Has Shaki had a course this whole time and I didn't know about it? I would have paid good money. No one should pay very much. I'm just gonna sit here and sip my coffee and nod and continue. Trying to stay positive in this crazy world. That's valid. And it hits home a little too hard. Trying to stay positive in this crazy world. I just want to use the force on the charts. You're all doomed. Trade. What did they do? Microwave? Sometimes I drop a like and don't leave a joke. Now that's disappointing. I'm not mad. I'm just disappointed. Okay. That's all I'm saying. I'm not mad. I'm just sad. Ah. Going one little itty bitty step at a time. With this, but wow. Just wow. And I won't get out of this damn bob range. At all. trying not to repeat myself either. Oh, that's hard. That do be hard. Put the hand in squish noises. Like the Darth Vader. Wow. And then what did the charts start doing though? I think that's the question. Did the charts actually work? Listen? Do what he wanted them to do? Maybe I should charge, but I would be greedy. Trendline trader. I only charge 3k for the course. Oh, you know what? That's clearly being super cheap. Good grief. What's up, Mark? How are we doing? Okay. Ah. Sure, guys. This day do be going slowly. It's dirt cheap. Going to be a good week. I love that. I love the enthusiasm. The rest of us are just here going, what the heck is this? Is there news today? No. I don't know. Oh, that's good. That's good. See, guys, not one single thing I've wanted to do, not one single trade that I've actually liked today has worked out. So this is not boding well for me, is it? Nope. Well, this is definitely not boding well for me today. This is just not my day. Yes, it's a good week for shorts. Why is it warm where you are? I'm sorry, that was such a lame joke. I thought it was funny. I thought it was funny. Oh. Okay, anyways, like I said, this week, well, this week, we're only on Tuesday. It's only Tuesday. That being said, I also can't believe it's Tuesday. Guys. Guys. Okay. It's getting closer and closer. My eavesdrop will drive you crazy in this range. You'll enter in the middle where no one should do every time with your setup. I know, Jackie. I know. This is why this doesn't work, and it's in the bob level. It's literally stuck right now. This is why I know that this is a bad day for me to trade. Bad day. Bad day. Please let me see that meme of blowing closes account and blows the screen to push candles. Hey Mark, I trade futures. Great, Joe, let's go. 5 minutes blast off. Looks like it's gonna nah guys, I'm just gonna sit and wait and see what we get. Wow. Hasn't even been an hour. Hasn't even been an hour. Might be one of those days where I end up getting another cup of coffee. If you know it's ranging, why not try to learn to enter on the edges? Valid. Okay, so... Sorry. Hello, handsome. Basically, Loki here. Take a sell. Right? Stop loss, give it a few points above, make it 10 points, which is 20. Trading, enter at the edge and exit at the middle. Okay, so entry should theoretically be there. And then middle. Around there? Yeah? Okay, let's see. How does that look, Shaki? What do you think? Something like that for ranges. Like I said, I'm gonna try and figure this out. If it's the last thing I do. What's up, OTT? How you doing? I'm trying to figure out how to trade ranges. We're giving it a bash today. Especially because these past 2 days have just been range bound, so let's give it a go. And my strategy definitely doesn't work for ranges, but I get we've known that for a very, 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 very long time. You notice the range is slight, yes, yeah. So theoretically entry should have been a little bit lower, maybe at the candles. Use a 50-minute time frame. So Mark, I trade the futures. I trade the future, that's a lie. Guess it could have rather been at this resistance level, hey? As a penny seller, profile of and shares a point squeeze. I mean, let's see out of curiosity if it does work, but to enter at the resistance, so basically where all of these candles are just wicking above, does also make sense. So entry would have been here at 355. Let's see what this does. I'll check it out, but I don't know about oopsies. Sorry, I was checking out. See, but that's still at the top over there. Or again, would you rather want it at the candle, not the wick? That's what I'm trying to see. Hasn't taken a loss in 2 weeks. But with ranges, that's very interesting. Thanks, Mikawave. I'll ask him. Like I said, I've never been good at trading ranges. This is why we're on the paper. We're gonna have a little look-see and see what happens here. I'm gonna leave it as is out of curiosity. Okay, if it doesn't work, then we know. Ooh. Actually had a PM session trade bowl into break even, then 2 losses, 1 win on crypto. OTT, did you tilt or something? That feels like a lot of trades for you yesterday. I usually identify bullish or bearish bias and do longs or shorts, that way if it pops I'll catch the move instead of being stopped. There, it's more of a buy and hold, maybe sell the news. Jules has figured it out mathematically and I'm not joking. I cannot stress this enough. Jules is low-key terrifying with how clever he is with this stuff. Like I said, low-key terrifying. I do sometimes sit there and I'm like, I feel like I'm a toddler talking to Electro. Wicks are fun. I'm fine sitting with a little drawdown to make sure it gets tagged in. What's up, Silent Hustle? How are we doing? He doesn't even use candles to trade anymore. He uses time zone boxes. Hello, my angel. How are we doing? Hey, Patel, how are we doing? I'm good. How are you? I'm sitting and I'm watching. Yeah, like I said, I'm sitting and I'm watching. I have the set. Let's see if it works. Hello, my angel. How are you? And the gold trade took it on CFDs. It was just good. The crypto trades on demo. Still gathering data. See let's burn. At 3 a.m. Okay, maybe the question is, were you awake at 3 a.m.? OTT. Yeah. Let's see, I've given it a 10-point stop loss. I've given it a 10-point stop loss. Let's see how this goes. Yeah, the alerts woke me up. I call it determination. Call it what you will. I will just call it cray cray. Hey, like a crazy daisy. Like a crazy daisy. Sorry, I'm doing baby voice because my baby. Oh. Chin tickles for the win. I'm low-key surprised that you were actually asleep at 3 a.m. OTT. Oh. Microwave, that's fun. Ooh, I'm falling apart. I'm falling apart. I'm falling apart. Watch this now go up. Because I tried to take this range trade. Guys, it's cold today. It doesn't help that obviously showered and my hair's wet, but it is cold today. I'm rocking the fresh out of shower look today. Yes, Atlanta. And I got my Wonder Woman shirt on and my comfy hippie pants. I'm living my best life today. And there ain't nothing you guys can do to stop me. We're going so much higher. I slept at 11 p.m. Wow, OTT? That's so weird. The one day that it's... Let's try range today. Then the range doesn't flipping work. Okay, anyways, there's Asia high. It's fine. Good rejection, good rejection, good rejection. If I had taken that trade on any other of these candles, it would have worked, so. 1, 2, 3, let's see. Hey, King Corbin, how are we doing? He plays trade nap, plays trade nap, plays trade nap. You know, alarms every 10 minutes so he could manage. My voice is nice. What accent? South African? Heck yeah. Let's see if this continues to go up now. Explain what you do with stocks. Well, I'm trading Nasdaq futures. And I day trade. Why does this feel like an interview? I do what I want. You're on you all the time. I should watch more. Yep, I'm still in South Africa. Not planning on going anywhere. He has it. I'm trading him. Be my teacher. I want to get my your day trading up. Yeah. Maybe no, I'm not the best person to do that. Yet. One day I will be. I am determined and stubborn. It's not a bad combination. It's not the best combination, but it's not a bad combination. And you get sick of the accent soon enough. Listen here, microwave. You love us and you know it, okay? Microwave, I wish I placed a trade plan sleep, stop us. We're not placing the possible trade sleep and set limits. I don't know if we can do this on the 15-minute time into that. What's it like in Africa? Africa is beautiful, guys. Africa is beautiful. I think that's... yeah. It really, really is a beautiful place to live. I have no complaints. Is there some crime? Yes, just like there is anywhere else in the world. That vibrato, the what? You should sing opera. I don't think I'd be very good at opera. Nailed it. Just subscribed, watched you for a while. I heard you say trading might not be for you, but just want to say don't give up. Oh, no. Trading is for me. I'm just not there yet. I'm not shy or scared to admit, like, I'm not profitable yet. I am aware of that. I need to do a lot / maybe change a lot, but that's why I am still figuring some things out. That's why I'm doing a few more paper trades, because I'm trying to get a little bit more knowledge, trying to get more information, right? Trying to get more information. That's the point of all of this, guys. The whole point of this channel was to show a very real, honest journey of a new trader, right? Very real, open and honest. Is it going to be wins and sparkles and joy all the time? No. You guys want to see the rage? You can go watch last week Friday's London session. I was very, very close to I don't even know, breaking something last week Friday. Good attempt and fairly good setup. You said you were near all-time highs and trend as your friend that told me bull bias would only take long trades from the bottom, but you get the concept. Okay, that makes sense. Okay. Jackie, that makes sense. So you would have preferred to rather be like, but then it doesn't take out these lows until here. What, basically have potentially... I'm thinking about this range quickly. Potentially have set a buy limit here. Let it be taken out because it was forming a bunch of liquidity. Let it be taken out and then just let it run. That's a bit of a shout, but have to obviously test that a few more times. I was thinking, you know, like at all of these highs, taking a sell. But even then it didn't even reach that high here. Okay, Shaki, I'm gonna have to play around with this a little bit more. And that's my trendline range trading course. You know when you say trading ain't for you and you're about to give up, but you don't know he's so close to profitability. The amount of times I almost quit 80, but really, OTT? What kept you going, out of curiosity? Apart from you just being a degen and you're low-key addicted. Antarctica is the safest place on Earth. Debbie agreed. We should all go live there. The top 2% gainers are popping after they open. I'm trying to concentrate and learn, but your voice is a little too much to handle right now. Am I weird? It's a bad that I know weirder, so technically, nah, you're not that weird. Which I'm trying to decide. Part of me thinks that's sad, but anyways. Wow, here we go. This is what we were kind of waiting for. Took so long. Let's go. I want to set up. Okay, so Boom is now in buys. My neighbor is listening to doof 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 music. You can hear it through the wall. That is okay then. Inverted hand shoulders popping up. Banned from Amigo because I feel like that's like a huge diss. Is that still happening, Lavender? I didn't think that was still a thing. And I just got banned from there. What did you do? Boom, you boomed your account. The Boom signal, I think, is cursed today. trust Asia High. It's already taken out Asia High, boom. Do you mean New York High? I put a little bit too much time into it, and honestly, there's nothing else on it. I won't lie, I still remember the last time I tried to quit. What happened the last time you tried to quit? Okay, I'll be right back. Give me 2 seconds. Let me go close the door so it's nothing. I have no idea what I did. Maybe you were just too pretty for them and they got upset. Maybe you weren't floating back with them, Lavender. I see you. I see you. Okay, sorry, I went to go and close some doors to make that a little bit quieter. Guys, it's cold today, man. I'm cold. I know I'm a big baby, but it is cold today. No, usually because you're getting something. Get a job. I don't know. Oh, Debbie's thing said bye. Wait, give me a second. Let's wait for it to close. You have to wait for it to close, right, Deb? Let's wait for the confirmation of this one. And then I'll buy. 30 seconds to go for the TMP signal. Maggie sure I felt like I didn't know what I was looking for. Just lost, kept watching trading videos, hoping I would just click. That's fine. I'll read all of that now, OTT, because I'm genuinely curious as well. 10 seconds to go. Let's see if the buy signal's still there. 3, 2, 1. Okay. Okay, well, let's go to Boom's. The 10 points. Okay. 10-point stop loss. Uh-oh. Technically, it should be a 10-point TP stats around there. 896. That would be 97 then. There. That should be TP technically. Let's see if this goes up or not. When you record or upload a video, they are duplicated. Is this on purpose? Oh no, so Crow, that's because I actually have 2 live streams going. I have a vertical and a horizontal stream. And yeah. So they both get uploaded. Theoretically, I guess I should maybe like delete the one. Very informative. Okay, I'm just gonna sound like this. The 21st. Okay, then it took me like a year or two of losing, but literally one night I just clicked. I was up all night watching training videos, looking at my journal, noticed consistent entries, and that's how I ended up trading the way I do. Huh. That literally makes me not want to listen to anybody again, OTT. Interesting. I'm gonna have a quick look. I watched some very good guys. Did you? Okay, OTT, I want to read what you said. Ah! Oh, damn. That should have taken me out. It's about to take me out. Oh, damn. Okay. Let's see how far down this goes. Sorry, Deb. Goodbye signal there. I'm trying to keep with the 10 points. No, it's not. The again, do 10 point stop, I see. I don't know if that's why educational vision is just hard. Okay, wait. Okay. OTT, I'm going back to read what you said. I just kept losing like each trade I took felt like I don't know what I was looking for. Just lost to keep watching trade videos hoping it would just click. Trading at least the person can make some idea of their feet and then start taking off. I would do the same. Took me like a year or two losing, but literally one night I just clicked. I was up night watching 20 videos on my journal. The horizontal one is better, honestly. Wide space, very relaxing. If you ever think on up to the horizontal one, it's better. Ah, thanks, Crow. Well, trust when I say there's a debate. Some people love the vertical, literally. They don't want to watch. It also depends, like if you're watching on your phone, the vertical obviously makes more sense, but that's why I just have them both up and running. But I should maybe go and like just delete some of the other. It doesn't matter. I just enjoy something takes a while. What you thought, man? A lot of people never get there. I walk around all the time and I'm shocked at what accomplishment don't take it for granted. There's no problem with being great. Arthur, you say time to go dancing. What? I like both. Oh, thanks, Jose. Atlanta. I can't even do it. Oh, it's super hard. Like, I'm not learning things, but trying to watch someone teach, can't do it anymore. Because it's confusing, OTT. Because it makes sense, but that's... Okay, so... I'm gonna use an example that probably might, like, go over your head a little bit, but for me, it's why in the horsey industry... Never mind, I won't do that because you guys are gonna be like, what? Never mind, ignore me. Am I bothering you? No, King Corbin, you're good. Do I have classes? No. I'm not good enough to have courses. Maybe one day? Well, even then, I don't know. I feel like if you can help people, why wouldn't you? Such a cutie, alright. Oh my god. Later, have fun. Cheers, Atlanta. Wanted to go on your live videos and see the previous one. Oh damn, did I click on duplicate videos? Just got tired along the way. Oh, so, okay, Crow, that does make sense. Do they not just have dates on them? Doesn't help that I stream twice a day and both of them have 2 videos, eh? I didn't really consider that. You have a very valid point, Crow. Do you guys think I should just like keep only one video, maybe the horizontal, keep one video up from each session? BTW, the person I kept watching was T-Trades. So OTT, I watched T-Trades, he confused me. Wait, but you said you watched him to learn and he helped you? Right? No? Yes, maybe? So I remember I watched one, I did watch some of his videos. And it confused me so much. I don't know. Like, what he was saying made sense, but he would randomly jump around places and I was like, how did you now get there? Where did, what? Maybe I need to watch again, because I did watch that right in the beginning. Maybe it'll make more sense now that I know more. Nope, no dates, there's just the same headings. Oh, no wonder! Sorry, Crow. Just press biosell levels and it works out. Sorry, Crow. Maybe I must go through everything. I'll go through everything. No, Big Rabbit. No more fans. I'm telling you. Vertical, horizontal. What about VR or? VR trade. What do you mean VR? What? Like virtual reality trading? How would you even do that? Once you, it wouldn't be scary at all. It's just like anything you. I didn't really understand the concept and watch the strat video. Watch the concept, but just try understanding the concepts. Okay. Just understand the concept. RTT, if you don't mind, can you, if you don't mind, maybe it'll be quite a bit of work for you. Would you send me like one of the videos that you think would be good? Like just send me the link. Only just to see what the haps? What do you mean hats? And work on your buying and selling technique. It's a lot bigger than people realize. You cut down on your missing opportunities. Teach will be exactly how I take trades. What if it don't work for them? Bubble charts and bubbles screeners can give you virtual reality and your shares and flow at the same time. Oh my gosh. Let's see it work. Thank you guys. I got you. There's actually a few which would be good. Thank you, OTT. How terrible. You know what? As good as traders are good at interpreting the chart, they're terrible for human conversation. Elevator music is good. Maya going to the top floor. What's up, Boom? Why are you yelling at me? Why is Boom yelling? Well, if they see you making X amount of dollars profits as a puppet in the US, they're going to want to be just like you. Think back when you first started singing, trading. What the up? I guess, but it doesn't really explain the actual reason I got banned. I probably would still be unprofitable. ICT could teach, but doesn't really explain 100%. For example, the uniform model, there's still one video which is like, okay, please boom. This was a joke. I was doing the sarcasm. 426. Guys, what even is this today? Just looking at this going seriously. This price action today is something else. Making me a little sad, but it's fine, it's fine. It'll be fine, it'll be fine. You try this break it, now uniform form, I should form what not had from me 10, I like how he talks. I don't actually, it was like whatever, but it's still interesting. I didn't even know that it was still a thing. Honestly, you did the same thing as the Kukumin on there, but no, I had to explain the joke ruin. Wild Earth did Maya flip her hair when she was worried someone was yelling at her. Full flag out, lots of power. Let's see. Arthur, if it does, Atlantic facts, but what made me feel profitable wasn't the P&L, just looking at the markets and actually having an idea what I'm looking for from bias to entry. OTT, that's facts. I think looking at something and going, oh my gosh, I see exactly what I want and how I want it to play out with a certain degree of certainty. I think that's it. It's the certainty. Going in completely uncertain, then I guess that then feels a lot like gambling. Because then you are just like, maybe. Honestly, hate when I have to explain it. It does my head in. Oh no. Here we go. Arthur, like you said, quite a nice break up here. Let's see if it continues. Okay, let's wait for never mind. This is why we wait. I was gonna say let's wait for this to close. It looked like there was a bit of a sell signal over there. For a second, there was a sell signal. Oh, okay, now I'm getting warm and toasty. This is now nice. I need to find together. Oh, thanks, King. I think people pay profitably with peanut. I guess it's part of it, but it's more than that. My story, she started trading hard equals Maya, try hard equals Maya, get frustrated, want to cry equals, okay, that's not so bad. Thanks, Mikuabe. Way to sum that up in such a way. That makes me seem a little questionable. Question mark. What? Who? Is this a butterfly? What? What? What is this? What is this, Boom? Okay, that's cool as heck. Okay. Biggest fan, but I'm a novice beginner. Is that fine? Of course it's fine. Everyone has to start somewhere. Okay, so Boom has decided that it's time for Butterfly of the Day. So here is Butterfly of the Day. Boom chose it. It's called the question mark butterfly. Literally looks like a dead leaf on the outside, and on the inside, to be fair, that's pretty as heck. Why is it called the question mark butterfly though? Maybe that's why we have question marks. Why? That's a very cool photo. Okay, let's find out some information on this butterfly. Okay. So, identification, wingspan of however many inches. Cool. The two common widespread species of angel wings occurring in Massachusetts. Readily distinguished from the eastern comma. There's an eastern comma butterfly. Okay. Distribution. The range of the question mark extends farther south than other North American angel wings and encompasses the region from southeastern Saskatchewan east to the Maritimes and south through Arizona into Mexico, the Gulf Coast, and Florida. Ooh, I broke that up like a chop. This butterfly occurs throughout New England, although Scudder, okay, characterized it as being rare in the north. So flight period is 2 generations each year. A summer flight, the so-called ambrosia, form on the wing between late June and mid to late August, and full flight, the fabrici, form emerging from late August into October. Wow, I'm reading like a toddler today. I'm so sorry. Anyways, milkweeds and aspen. Okay, so they prefer sap and rotting fruit. And even carrion or scat. A little creepy. The question mark is fond of open woodlots and other semi-shaded habitats, including forest parts and openings. Okay. Gives you some idea of the question mark butterfly. It does look very cool. It does look very cool. Nice one, Boom. Oh no, there was a cell. I missed the cell. I missed the cell signal. I missed the cell signal. My bad. I'm sorry, Deb. I'm sorry, Deb. I'm supposed to be testing this. That would have taken a cell probably a little bit lower down. 20 points. Ooh. Let's see, but there was the little cell signal. Let's see how this does. Feel completely comfortable doing this. I didn't even beat much, just one make it easier today just because of no. Never trading in with a way it just breaks you. Disrespect. Retaining that allows you to make you're tough and rest. Thank you. Lavender, what happened to you? Because at least something's funny. I'm gonna message you on Discord. That's why I had a rough night treating the train. She's beating the oracle. That bird is still at it. Sorry, Mick. Wow, that's really professional. They blame me for my struggle yesterday, Marcus, but she kept making it bear. She wasn't for you. I would have had to win isn't there only one win from you? This later. Ah, we blaming the interesting thing about butterflies as they go through a complete metamorphosis. Boom, Mario Galaxy. Real for anyone who feels like giving up or quitting, keep going. Trading isn't for everyone, not because not everyone can be profitable, because most can't actually go through the painful parts. Hey, Deb! Here we go. So today, how many... Okay, we've taken 3 Debbie signals. 2 losses, 1 win so far. Sticking with a 1-to-1 R, if this one was maybe 2 contracts and still going. Let's see how far down it goes. Oh, Might have to reconsider where I take the entries, because this one, 10 points would have stopped out if I entered at the open of this candle. Okay, I'm gonna have to have a look into that. I don't know, there are a few people I met before that I don't think name and sign up on software. Wouldn't have been stopped up my if I waited for discount first and intro. But that's the question I'm trying to see. When you get the sell signal, do you buy instantly? Do you wait for a little bit of a pullback? Do you just get in on it? That's the question I'm trying to see with these signals here. Boom, are you out? I think Boom's out. Thought this actual bring Raf from trading give me pain. He's so stubborn. So got chicken time to pull the trigger. You use candle high low or swing high low as your stop instead of 10 points. Okay. Let's give that a try next then. $4.39. Okay, still keeping an eye on this now. Okay, tapped into VWAP on ES. Let's see what else we potentially get. 440. Guys, this price action is quite slow today. Like, it's not... I wanted to say it's not terrible. It's not great. Haven't had anything worth trading for me. Being said, let's quickly check this out. Oh, you little sneaky. Let's see if this continues up now. That would have been a tag in at 0.5. Let's see if it now goes to New York. Now use your own confluence with the signal. Okay. Actually, TMP was my trade framework, so I don't solely rely on TMP sell signal. I'm not out, I don't believe in stop loss. I feel like that's a lie. There we go. What's up, David? How are you doing? Good morning. to deity. Yes. Why am I catching strays? Oh, guys, I'm just sitting here going, what is happening? David just broadcasted it. I did not have that. Interview for your channel. You have a channel? Ah, you have 84 subscribers. Where are you from? From? I said that like a chop. Okay, anyways. Perfect 4 AM, full sleep iPad and shoulders from breakdown. Price action slow because of a massive decay over the past couple of days. Also, it's dropped from its recent highs at 10 days. Want to call on the transfer? Has Jimmy or paid to bully me. Mississippi, USA. That's cool. Michael, what's the insult me? I'm so honored. I can't believe I told you that. Oh, they dispute their money at the. Oh, he dispute their money at the girls in Egypt. I just think you wouldn't. Oh my great goodness. Hey Chris, how's the trading journey going? I'm not gonna lie, it's a little bit frustrating at the moment. It feels a little bit frustrating at the moment, but I know it's the next obstacle, if you will, right? I know it's the next obstacle to get over or get past. It's very frustrating at the moment, so we're just sticking with one step at a time. Reading these comments out loud in that tone is diabolical. And I don't know how to feel about that. He supported while violating me. I'm stunned. What are we doing? How much longer will it take to go? What? Miles from Mississippi. I'm in South Louisiana, south of New Orleans. Smiley face. Yeah, I said it to you in Discord, guys. I don't think I can say it. I already used up my allowance of the word. Well, that was like my something to steal your candy. You guys are wilding today. I hope you know that. Seriously? Let me quickly see what this is. Yeah. No, I want to quickly check something. Guys, it's this army scares me. Okay. Nothing yet. Let's see. You're hurting my head. No, I'm being called princess. I'm going back to sleep. You know what, OTT? I'm just here. This price action is seriously making me sad right now. And okay, it's fine. It's fine. It's fine. Do we think this is going to improve at all today? This feels very irritating, for lack of a better word. This is just irritating. I'm going to drop him. I actually did. Yes, you drop. believe. I think I've just called microwave, another distraction I don't need. If you have any stock tips, please let me know. I could not agree more. Trading is easy. We make losses and wins. Part of trading and learning to refine your trading strategy or plan. Exactly, Chris. It's not always easy, but it is just part of it. It is part of it. And I'm at the next obstacle. It's a very irritating obstacle, but it is still an obstacle that I just have to get over. And then we're good to go. This morning, so I could literally push my head through every door. Wait, microwave? Didn't even know you smoked. Anyways. And interview on what? King. The word fine stands for frustrated, insecure, and neurotic and emotional. Rough? It could also stand for fantastic, independent. I'm trying to think of a positive word that starts with an N. Nifty and energized. It's all about perspective and how you want to read it or hear it. Fine, I don't get offended by my just jealous. Good grief. I'll come back to it after that OTD. Whoa, Boom, how's it my fault? I don't smoke. But I use nicotine. Okay, that makes sense. Right. Alrighty. For perspective, that's what are my movie names? Oh man, that's too funny. Y'all are mean. I don't remember asking any of you. Wow, I nearly thank heavens I have my glasses on. I nearly stabbed myself in the eye. I don't remember asking any of you for your opinions. I'm just saying. Just saying. Just saying. Y'all just decided to pop in and be sassy today. Let's see, are we going up now? Seriously? Apparently so. Okay, so this was a decent retest of the 50% of this range. Let's see if it goes all the way up to New York High now. So it did tap into VWAP on US. Now let's see what happens. I'm always a little sassy, but I keep it classy. I love it. I'm living a great life even at 4 AM. Flip a coin, see if it's right. Next up, do. Okay, before you freak out, yep, come. You can go chase the night living. You don't break things. Okay, go. Sorry, I closed the door because the neighbor was blasting music because obviously it is a public holiday in South Africa, so he's home, and apparently to play very weird music is the way to go. And now the monkeys have arrived, so oh no, all the hiccups. Gosh darn it, guys. Can someone call someone somewhere and get the price action to start moving properly, please? Can't even say it with me today. I've been good, you have been. What alright. Corbin, how old are you? Just curious if you don't mind me asking. There we go, yeah, Corbin, how old are you? Okay, Perry's outside. Let's see, now we go. Boom must be happy now, right, Boom? And here it goes for the New York High. Does this mean we're going to start getting some movement? What time is it? 4:52. Maybe. Oh, could someone call me to get the PA moving again? Oh, yay, Geordie's back. What's up, Geordie? What he can do. Thank you, Jackie. Come on, guys. ABCD pattern. But it's foolish no matter what. Can't believe. It's bullish no matter what type of voice takes me while driving an aeroplane. Geordie is bad market maker. Kept baiting me yesterday. In fact, Ollie and Geordie, my biggest haters. Power outage since last night. What? To be fair, Hammer said his power was also out. What is going on in Josie? I'm about to come back and apparently people are getting sick and like there's no power. Like, what is happening? Oh yeah, SS strikes again, so it's not back yet. Well. So OTT, you don't have a power outage. It worked in your favor. Those bloody Transformers fucking up. Well, at least someone didn't drive into it and cause a fire. I feel like that's winning. I've been away. I couldn't know what to do. I feel like I saw the weather was really bad in Texas or something. Power went out Thursday and Friday at work. What is going on? No, there's no Ebola this side of the world right now, right? I hope. I hope. I guess it was something about massive flooding. It was re-entering basically immediately. Okay, we are at all-time highs. Let's do this thing. Alright, let me put this back in. There is somewhere, but definitely not in South Africa. I don't know where exactly there is one, but there is somewhere. No, hold up! Damn, OTT, I feel like sometimes you type things, send it, and then realize and you go, wait, maybe I shouldn't have said that. Take it back. And I think that is very, very funny. Yeah. Fall in the wrong places. I said it did. Safe at all costs, even though take it. Realize that sounded. Yep. Oh man, you guys are too funny. Hey, Hammer. Hammer's back. Cause rubbish. Facebook just read my messages. We have no satellites. Oh my gosh. I need so much memories. Antarctica is icefall. What? 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 You know, I woke up with a headache. I specifically took medication and you guys are bringing the headache back. I didn't think that was possible. I was feeling fine and you guys have literally brought the headache back. Okay, let's go. Looked like the beginning of a cell signal. Let's see if it comes on back or not. Comes back on. Okay, it's nearly 5. Let's see what we get. That's good for the soul. King Monica. Oh gosh. That icefall theory, interesting though. No, it's not OTT. You know, I've actually read up on this out of genuine curiosity. Genuine curiosity. If I'm not mistaken, the belief is that Antarctica also doesn't really exist. I think that was also a belief. I don't know. One day he's not please around there for a week, then I'd for make him vampire wide. Tell me, when did you start reading up on it? To be fair, there was a TikTok. I don't know, there was a TikTok about it and then I was reading all the comments. I was just reading all the comments and listening to all the theories and, reading all the theories and I was like, okay. Did that answer your question? The Earth is flat. No, are we actually? Is this actually happening? Is this actually happening? Solar planets are theorem. No, watch TikToks. Yes. So purposeful. We are. It's an ice wall and Earth's flat space doesn't exist. Wait, Lavender, you. Oh no, okay, you said lol. Okay, I was like, what? Oh yeah, TikTok said so. Oh my gosh. I think this is my Christmas dream to live. Only people that are really open-minded will question anything. Okay. I personally am not a flat earther. Okay. You'll believe whatever the heck you want to believe. You do whatever makes you happy. Just don't go and like yell at people for not having the same beliefs you do. I'm very much of that opinion. You can have whatever belief you want in this world, as long as you don't come yelling at me because I don't share the same belief. Then it's fine. If you come yelling at me because I don't share the same belief, yeah. I have a question for flat earthers. The question is why? Okay? Change matter more advanced than moon landing. Is it dodging how the world on the ground? Anything else together and then keeping the world away from Antarctica is very questionable. But they're not. There's a lot of things that happen in Antarctica. I'm so confused. I shot an old friend in the leg for telling me he believes the Earth was flat. Atlanta, really? That is wow. She's a heretic ground earth. Oh my god. The United States was scandal 500 currently up there. Scandal on the States 75 else is it? That's not discovered. I think when music conference, some believe that they found it, but it was actually an Orwell horn thing. Prove to me the Earth is round before I prove to you it's flat. Why do I have to do that though? Gosh. Oh my gosh, this is so ridiculous. Some sketchy stuff going on the same with the ocean. That's why we can't swim too many ocean horror stories. Keep up the great chatter. You increased your view. And all that was mentioned was Hammer. What is happening? Innocent till proven guilty. Remember, kids. 2 words. Storm. Atlanta. It's freezing. Oh, it's interesting. It's freezing. Why did I get freezing? My truth be told, I traded 90% win rate, and this is the only true reason to make my what? Do I actually have to do work? If the Earth is flat, why do flat earthers still say around the globe? I feel like this is the Hammer. Is this what you want? This is what Hammer wanted. Hammer has been trying to start this debate. Like, how long ago was it? Like a few months ago. Hammer every single time has come in here trying to start this damn debate. And today you won, Hammer. Are you happy? I feel like Hammer's now happy. And every single time he brings up Earth being flat, I ask him if he's genuine about it, and he never answers, which makes me believe he's not. But I swear he's just been waiting for this damn debate. Don't anger that room. Has disproven their theory every time. Thank you, Shaki. Yes. So if the Earth is flat, does that mean one side is upside down? Because why does one half have light then the other no light if the Earth is flat? I like Hannah Banana. What? It only happens in strict down in place, so no one in the world can just rock up without permission of multiple ships and that's ridiculous. We are floating aimlessly in space. Someone's all the same. I can't say how hard I'm laughing. Hammer, I knew it. You have been waiting for this. Hammer has been trying to get this conversation going for months. You were so sneaky. Oh gosh. Hammer doesn't think that means people look up summaries and planes and summaries. Maps for emergency. What? Atlanta, I fell for the trap. It's too late. Operation. If the sun is in space, how is space a dark, empty void vacuum? I think I'm defeated for the day. I have Hammer, what have you done? The boom is thick. Boom, you're also having way too much fun with this, by the way. Oh, I also sent it foil spaceships to the moon one time, but I lost the technology to do it again. Running because he set up the camera when he was the first guy to set his foot on the moon. The stock lines on trading on birds to win social security transactions. To be fair, this debate doesn't matter since we're all living inside a simulation. Damn, Shaki. Whoever picked my avatar really needs to do a better job. That's all I'm saying. Whoever picked me as their character needs to start getting their stuff together. This is what teachers felt about us in middle school and high school, probably. Take it. Count backwards from 10. Oh gosh. NASA in Hebrew is deceit. The earth is not round or flat and it's in and it's hair-shaped. Also advanced ancestors didn't have the tech to know, and obviously if you look around everything looks bad. We stuck in mine jail and only the strong breakout explained who was recording when we landed on the moon. Oh no. I can't tell if Boom is genuine or not right now. I can't tell who's actually serious and who's not. The world is... You're always rotating in a second dimension. No, Atlanta. Gross. I mean, truth in that, that's an argument. It's like fish trying to argue the outside of the fishbowl. Our pear's not rounded, no, but they have a weird shape to them. Now, here's the real question. Are you not entertained, gladiator boys? Hammer, you know what, in this price action, I guess, you have a valid point. But also, what the heck, man? Absolute insanity. That is what's happening right now. Just pure insanity. My choice round fat when I put my butt on it. Serious, oh no. Also, everything in space is survive a factor 2.6 explosively, which is... Oh no. Moon landing was 100% fake. Oh gosh, did we recently go back to the moon? Is that also fake? I'd play your character's class just to listen to you all day. The Earth doesn't have a curve. Oh, some guy, no, some guy run away. Some guy, run away, run away, run away, run away screaming. Run away screaming, some guy. This is, I don't know, I don't know what's happening today. Hammer finally got his wish. Run away. Sharpenings, you're... That's so good. Hang in there, Baba. You have to call a 10R trade for Maya. Nice. Oh, guys, I'm shook at Boom. I think you are joking, but I can't tell. Is Boom joking? That is the question. Okay, looked like there was a beginning of a sell signal here. Let's see, 12 seconds to go. Three, two, one. Maybe not. Okay. OTT, you already claimed to be a vampire. So if we have all these theories, what's real when it comes to trading? Cold War had the space race and massive component of it. If OG moon landing was fake, then why did Russia never denounce it? Makes sense. You know what, am I cool here for now? Yeah, you're cool if the Earth isn't round. How are dogs alive? What? Boom? I feel like Boom is just like throwing the most unhinged things out there to see what happens. When it comes to trading, it always goes up. I tried the short trade that I shared in the Discord this morning, got stopped on it. My weekend's winning streak couldn't last forever. That's okay. Trade. This is not reality. I'm not. My universe and Earth's perceived darkness is just your sanctuary. Guys, I'm so terrified of this conversation today. It's not even funny. Hey, it's 11:11. Make a wish. I flipping wish this price action would start moving. Like, you wouldn't think that was a difficult task, but apparently today it kinda is. Wow, I swear it's getting smaller as well. What's up, Augustine? How are we doing? With conspiracies, I apply this logic. I've worked all these levels of management in various businesses in my career. I can tell you that no matter how high you go, idiots all the way up. Some guy, I hear that. Don't be stupid and you don't get taken over. How do I send you nine? What? Not you accept Bitcoin? King, you have Bitcoin? Hang in there, let's get back to trading. It looks like bull flag is gonna go somewhere now. Looks like right. You know, Maya's chat low-key haters. We all be trying to cancel Maya on the daily. You know what? OTT has a point. You all start up conversations that would get quite a few people cancelled. I'm trying so hard to stay neutral, and you guys, if I get banned one day, you guys are gonna miss me. Maybe I have to be mask can be engineered. Two incompetence. Whoa, rough. Some guy. There's nothing in life that's more fake than trading. My coaching thing. Yeah, my first career getting cancelled. The amount of naked on YouTube compared to her is unreal. Oh gosh. When it comes to trading, what is proven BS? I bet you I could find some girl doing stock trading in a bikini right now. Atlanta, bet. Go on then. That's why we're here, right? Because we can see it. Surprised people haven't started arguing. Religion, that would be entertaining to read. Cancel culture is dead, don't worry about it. You really think so? I don't know about that. Quit trading, guys. Why? What happened? Hey, look here, 9 subs to 18k. Oh, Hammer, it's been struggling to reach 18k, hey? It's been struggling. We were like 5 away, and then lost some, and then gained some, and lost some. It doesn't want to make that push over to 18k. It's quite entertaining for me to watch, actually. It's quite funny. Going on to gambling. Boo, what happened? Do with myself. I'm so booming career flat earthing. Boom, can I get that? These things. Of my 23 sub cancel culture is cancelled. That should let you to 50 subs. Maya needs to start wearing those heels on stream. You guys can't even see my feet. What difference would it make if I will wear heels? Damn, Corbin, what's happened to you? What to be asking? Honestly, the whole cancel culture thing was unstable. If any time anyone says something that somebody else could find offensive, get cancelled. And there's no more content. True. Arthur, how's your ingrown toenail doing? I don't have an ingrown toenail. That was weird as heck. Was dumb move by the left to try and push the cancel culture narrative. It's never gonna work long term. I could get you to 50 subs with all my accounts. I don't know, get off and off. Take that how you will. Everyone buy my course now. It's on sale 90% for 15 seconds. Hammer, I swear you want to just cause chaos. Is that like... You are here to cause chaos and you are loving it too much. You are loving it way too much. Gentle softies, you say anything they don't like, they throw a tantrum, it's sad. I won't wear heels, she'd have to adjust the height of her AI houseplant. Less than here, David. Hey, Moonshine! It was all in I arranged the breakout, now it's only manipulation in the wrong direction. After that, the main move comes down to fill the gap from yesterday. Ooh, interesting, Moonshine. So you think this is gonna go all the way back down, what, to the new weekly opening gap? That was good. I don't know about them being, but definitely more conservative, learning more religion rates and alcohol use. Eventually they'll be running the world. Look up the number of done them. Yeah, railroading, not right, but opposite of brain dead. Sure, standard. If Earth was flat, cats would have pushed everything off of it by now. Versus 3, that was brilliant. I low-key love that. That was hilarious. Some news for this afternoon so important that we're not moving. If you want more subs, you need to cook while trading, while wearing a butterfly suit. Anything else? Good grief. Gotta watch my keep hurting or stuff in the kitchen. Y'all are a little bit unhinged. I love it. Why should I not say mine? Picture of dumping her head on a cabinet. Wow. Ma doesn't like cooking. We'll have 300 episodes of how to cook easy chicken. Ah. You're welcome. Do you know what's hilarious? I actually made easy chicken last night. Ah, man. Okay, give me a second. I'll be right back. Let me just go check where Perry is. And apparently I need a break from this. Hey, 8 subscribers to go. Y'all call your friends. Oh, guys, Mrs. B can't say girl. You're gonna say girl. Oh, okay, headache. Okay, I see we're finally getting some movement. This background for people to see her cooking skills. Wait, I missed some things. You see, naturally quantitative. Continue that he doesn't need a what? You just be anything. You might would be a good. Aw, Lavender, you're a sweetie pie. Sorry, I'm reading back on this. Okay, so I can't keep up. Could burn a bowl of cereal. Could burn a bowl of cereal while making it. Listen here, some guy. Actually, I would burn a house down with hot water. Wow. Well, for myself, yes, no one else needed. Oh, you're right, guys. 7 subs needed. I would burn the what? Are you trying to boil? How do you make holy water? You burn the hell out of it. Okay, sorry. Now I'm gonna can't even cook water. I can't cook because she's really mad. Wow. I mean, I was actually thinking a bob to bob level, but maybe not. Oh, you say mark out the trade. Hammer, I don't know if I trust any of this today, hey? Not gonna lie, I don't know if I'm trusting any of this today, but let's take it on the paper. Let's see if it works. If it does work and it's starting to be in our favor of working out today, then maybe I can take a setup. But at this point, like, what's the time even? At this point, I might even just call it early today because there's really not much going on. Oh no, let's not. Good joke, wow. This one is a great joke. Back to train, it looks like a really big head and shoulders. Maya Jane. 915 is a short entry. You think 915? Ah, you're saying right by this volume imbalance. Is that what you're thinking? Moonshine? What is this? King was talking to Tanner earlier. He asked what all the funny little pictures you keep seeing on the internet are. I said, it's a meme. Mario. Okay, but let's see. Maya can use YouTube to cook. She's not that bad. I can do it. There we go. Some of people just hang out on streets and always have to happen. Okay, well, let's see. Here's a potential one. Let's see how this goes. So Moonshine thinks this might tap into the volume bands. Ah, let's see if it ends up going that high. I'm not so sure. Let's see if it even tags in. Okay, that should have tagged in. If it doesn't tag in, I'm gonna mark it in. Let's give it a minute. Literally a minute. Brother Bear, tag me in. On the funded, it would have tagged in. Come on, make up your mind. No. Pull me back, don't help me. No. We'll float back down. Copy usually not in session. Everyone just waffling. Yep. Basically, there's our volume bands with cells, not balls. Come on. Tag in. Also, I'm gonna mark it in. 1 second to go. There we go. This should go a little bit higher. There we go. Okay. Oh, you're spamming the like button now. Great job of narrating her mind. What happened? Okay, nothing happened, fine. Right. Oh, cheers them, guy. Enjoy. That's what I want to say. And you see Charles when shampoo going down the drain. I want to say that you guys have won today. Okay, 6 subscribers left until 18k. Is it gonna happen? You missed my best disc. Which one was it? You have so many. Let's test it. What are we testing, Hammer? Oh my god, decent. Now that I think about it, never want to identify one. I guess that's fair. It's not for everyone. Well, there was my potential entry. This looks like we could now actually be good to go. Like I said, I'm not trusting this price action yet. Not going to be trusting this yet. I'm actually also trying to decide if I should be greedy with this or not. Yeah, let's not be greedy. Let's leave it there for now. Over here is like midpoint, and I'll mitigate risk by half. Let's leave the scroller there. Who's up? Where's my little cookie skills? Wow, that's mean. Everyone on the chat unsubscribe right now. Atlanta? That's rude. Hashtag unsubscribe. Look, someone unsubscribed, they listened. Oh, you guys are just creating so many, I can't speak properly. So many shenanigans today. This is insane. Lavender, boo! Oh gosh. Lavender, you are very, very funny. I hope you know that. Oof, weird deja vu. Why? You gotta auto click on that like button. Is that why I just see little hearts coming out of there? Literally spamming little hearts right now. Cool. Cool. Let's see if this is... Oh, didn't quite reach there. Okay, mitigate risk by half. Around there is half. Now only go break even when it reaches 1. At 1 level. This Loki looks like it's now gonna start working out. Everyone names really Atlanta's bad now. Whoever unsubscribed, we didn't like you and he was, oh no! Let's see what happens. Oh gosh, Debs. Wow, you got some sass. You're too funny. I've seen stream by auto-clicking us. Sharpening. Oh man. I hope you guys know that you are very, very funny. You do make this very entertaining. Does anyone see a large head and shoulders on the screen? I've never been great at the head and shoulders situations, so... No? Hammer, look at my trade winning. Wait, did you take it, Hammer? I guess let me go use my 12 email addresses to sub. Go on then, OTT. Be better, honestly. Just send me a message on Discord. I'm gonna read this out loud. It is so funny. He goes, lol, my dumbass unsubscribed for real and got locked out for a minute. Oh, fun fact I learned from a former YouTube employee. Mods talking in chat actually damages your channel. Why? You took it. I said mark out the trade. No, you did, Hammer. You are correct. But you didn't take this trade. Are you trading, Hammer? Or is the power still out? What's happening? What's happening with that? Ooh. Okay, it was close to break even, but not quite. No power still. Ooh, why are you laughing? 4 minutes interview. Interview on what? I don't know. That's... I don't even know what, how, why, when, where, who. I feel like I'm missing some things. But you get the gist. Ooh, Devia, that was a bit of a buy signal. Could expect a retest and up. Whoopsies. Oh dear, Hammer. Maybe not. Let's see if this continues up. This is why I'm not trusting this price action today. Why does this look like a W? I'm also so bad with these W formations. guessing it's public holiday, so double time to work on power. Oh. Okay, that makes sense. I didn't even consider that hammer, but that does make lots of sense. My cheers sharpening. Menu face, I'm just oh, thank you. Too compelling. Every night the same. Sorry. Flip. 5:32. To be fair, guys, I might call it a tad bit early because I really want to get that food. And second of all, this price action is just garbage today. In all honesty, it's just garbage today. So let's see what it does here. If it takes me out, I might just be calling it a little bit early for today. Why not? Maya 77. Yeah, I'm back. What the Nico? Hey, 5 subs to go. I believe you're missing like months talking in chat. Breaks your 4 subs to go. Breaks your algorithm if one wants to talk. They have to use a separate account. The streamer doesn't get paid for the month talking in chat. To be fair, I don't get paid for anything, so. Oh, are you a Smeg? Oh, a Smeg be fancy. I don't know if Microwave is fancy enough to be a Smeg. Let me scan that. You'll burn the house down boiling water. That's rude. I'm not gonna burn the house down boiling water. You've seen how much coffee I drink. If I was gonna burn the house down, it would have happened ages ago. Hannah, I can't believe you actually still have the hearts going. You'll have subways in South Africa, and how are the food and the... not really. Ooh, 3 subs to go. Okay. So he's a highsmith? Yeah, I think that's it. Gift card. Guys, 3 more. I just subbed on like 4 accounts. Did you actually OTT? Yeah, auto clicker. How many subs? You're too funny. Hold on. 1. I don't know what any of that means, King. I'm not a singer. Let me go use my other accounts. Yes, I did. I'm subbed on 5. Anyways. Let's see, I'm pretty sure I should have been out of this thing. Also, on all my accounts. Be right back. I feel like that's like cheating. I feel like that's cheating, and I don't actually have that many subs. I like ice cream. Do you like ice cream? Who doesn't like ice cream? I feel like that is the better... Okay, I guess if you're lactose intolerant. But nowadays, you have lactose-free ice cream. I only have 1 account, thanks, Habit. So you're like me. I'm like, I have 1 account, but I have an auto clicker. You do, and it's going. The Chris Hansen, what's up? Does ice cream... Do you mean melt? What? I mean, I guess we could maybe organize. Guys, I'm still in this trade. I don't know how, but we're still in this thing. Look at you go, Hammer. If I'd gone to break even, I would have been out of break even. I feel like maybe I should have been taken out of that, but we are on the paper account, so maybe not. I don't actually know. Please be my teacher and master sensei. Bruh, I need to be better at teaching myself. Just times 2 on the speed of the auto clicker. 18. Oh! I feel like that was like OTT. And David that went and did that. How long have you been at this? Oh, just over a year. You guys are too flipping funny. But yes, 18k subs. I don't know how legitimate that was, but anyways. It worked, OTT. With a winning trade running. Well, yeah. Maya's adoption agency. What? M15 plus TP1 could be 864. It was low-key Orvi. My bad, I guess. You guys are literally too much. I hope you know that. You guys are literally too much. You guys, you know what? You guys are just the correct amount of unhinged today. I'm all for it. It's David. I just discovered this account, but why do you have that account? I'm taking out the devil. Did you understand that, right? You have to know where I am. Da, da, da. Wait, like taking me out or taking me out for a drink or there's a lot of different being taken out. Oh, back down to 17. 18k subs, Maya shaves or horse probably help with this heat regulation. I mean, to be fair, he could do with that because he's so fluffy, but it is winter. I knew my 12 accounts will come in handy all those times I want to take a free delivery. Coming touch. As long as you know I don't overthink, I'm good. Fun. No, times 3 the speed now. In discussion, wait, I remember this account you unintentionally made a comment about. I don't know, I did not. I just checked, I need 13 subs and I'm on 50. Would subbing to myself be cheating? I don't know, I feel like you subbing with all of mine feels like cheating. Oh my, I can't even pull this one up. Sale, this one is on a paper trade because I don't trust this price action. It's been too choppy. So yes, this one was taken on the paper account. Go over and subscribe. I hope you stub your toe. You did too, like I said, I'm staying in this trade until it either takes me out or takes me out for a win. Yes, it is on paper. Guys, this is on paper because of the fact that, like I said, I did not trust this price action at all. So let's see what happens. After this, I will then hippity hop off and I'll be back for the New York session. As a says, but I do make fantastic AI music, very unhinged, just the way we like it. I hope both sides of your pillow is warm. Feel long. Hope you take a sip of your coffee and it's cold. Who are you talking to? Atlanta, you're hungry. Samesies. Okay, wait, when it reaches this level 3880. Let's see what happens if it reaches a still. Aftershave pair. Are you crazy? I'm not gonna do that. Oh, we have unsubscribed. Sure, King Corbin. Okay. Are we going? Are we going back up? I feel like now I should be going break even. But I'll stick with the rules. I'll stick with the rules. Hands off. You know what? Someone has to give this damn price action a coffee. Because, wow. Just wow. Why do you even take a break? Why not just stream all the way to New York? Sure, Lavender, it's a lot. I don't think I'd cope with that. you taken out for the comeback. How can I? Yeah, stream all day till New York. Guys, no. No. I've done a 24-hour stream before. I need breaks in between. Boom understands. So when we did that stream with me and Boom, Boom was like, yo, it's a lot to keep talking. I was like, it is. You are surprised. I can't believe it's going. I don't have a mud crab account. 8K says Maya buys me a McDonald's McFeast. I mean, am I not buying you a banana milkshake, OTT? Let's see. 52. Let's see if this goes back now. I mean, theoretically, wow, guys, my tummy is grumbling. My tummy has the grumbles that only hands can satisfy. If you know where that comes from, you are the OG. If you don't know where that comes from, get educated. Let's start our own OnlyFans, but call it Only Stocks. There we go. It was actually a winner-winner chicken dinner. Okay, on that unhinged note. And like $3 a month, right? I can be a poster girl. We can have a whole bunch of girls. Nerd. Yeah. Explains because I'm too greedy. Oh, sorry, Moonshine. I had your milkshake. Okay, say that you. Thank you, Hammer. Well, I mean, kind of thank you. I took it on the paper, but still thank you for pointing it out. Thank you for pointing it out. Okay. Okay. I think this has nearly officially been the most unhinged day that we've had. Every time we have an unhinged day, I'm like, it can't get worse than this. We did it. I don't know how, but we did it. Okay, so then I'm gonna call it there. I love you guys madly. That was very, very weird. That was very, very weird. It now looks like it's gonna start moving now that I'm gonna call it, because like I said, I'm hungry. So I love you guys madly. I will then be back for New York, 9:15 EST time. Yes. Love you guys madly. Trade safe if you are trading this. Like I said, price action today is, well, as you can hear. So I love you guys. Trade safe. See you on the flippity flop. Yeah, that's all I have to say.